Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on my tool belt. I bought it yesterday, so today's gonna be the first day using it. It is the Occidental Leather tool belt, leather manufacturer, MFG. And yeah, I mean, first impression of it is good. Seems decent, seems like heavy duty. Has the sheepskin, a lot of pouches. In here, looks like a nail pouch. A couple pouches on the side. One there. Another one here. And yeah, tape measure holder, hammer holder. This is actually pretty stiff. You can pick the whole thing up and it's not gonna bend. So your hammer's not gonna catch. This, but I see not too many guys use this, so I don't know. I'll find something for it. Got a couple pockets in here. These are closed. Oh no, they're empty at the bottom, but very small empty. But this one's a little bigger at the bottom. Can't show you. These are closed off at the bottom. So are these two, so your pencils won't fall through. Yeah, the buckle itself, I'd say that's pretty good quality, pretty thick. Let's see if I can get closer for you so you can really see. I think it's pretty good. This is a pretty thick piece of steel here. You can see that. And I just want to show you my setup. First thing I really like is my drill. It sits in this little slot right here. There's a little gap, and this clip fits on it perfectly. So I like that. So let's see, in this I got my blade, utility knife with some extra blades, my pencils here, I got a marker here. I might change where this marker is, but I gotta stretch it out first, it's a little tight. Torpedo level, and my 5-in-1, this is a must-have tool. I got a 11-in-1 screwdriver with a bunch of bits on it. You can see them here. And my torpedo level, as I said, and in here I got nails, sinkers. I always use galvanized. I mean, you never know when you're inside or outside, so couldn't hurt to use these inside. And I'll go this way. Got my hammer here. Oh, my chisel. This is a 3/4 inch. I have sharpened it a little bit, so it's pretty neat. The edge is pretty fine. Let me see if you can see that. I haven't sharpened it in a while, but the edge is somewhat decent. Then I got my tape in here. Like I said, I gotta stretch it out. This is a 25 Fat Max with the clip still on it. Some people take the clip off. You know, I think I might do that later. But for stretching purposes, actually, I should leave it on. It sits in there pretty good. It's pretty snug. I like it. And on this side, nail puller, kind of out of the way. I don't really use it too much. Try not to. Right now I got in here some pliers and some end nippers. These are the best. These are good for everything. I highly recommend this tool. Right now, I mean, I was just changing some outlets, doing some punch out work in here. So I got strippers and needle nose pliers. And this needs to go back in my tool belt, but I did have a bit holder. I was deciding whether I wanted a long one in here or a short one. So I usually keep a short one in my drill. I'm trying to get it to focus. I usually keep a short one in my drill. So then I'll just put a long one in here. And I got a countersink also riding next to that. This tool, if you ask me, this is a must-have. Just an all-around good drill bit. And I got a couple punches, a big one and a small one, basic cheap ones. And on this side, I got screws, just construction screws, a bunch of different ones. I like these are my favorite. Exterior, just a construction screw, coarse thread, Phillips head. And yeah, and I still got a whole pocket back here. I don't know what to do with, but that's a big pocket. I could probably fit these pliers in there. Oh yeah, and you see how big that is. And so, still figuring out, like I said, it's day one with it. My hammer. This kind of hangs up on me a little bit, but I gotta get used to it. My arm doesn't really bend like this too much. I'm not used to bending my arm like this. My shoulder's a little messed up. So, it's alright though. I mean, I can get to it. I think it's just me. So it's hanging up on my tape. Turn it around. It's alright. And yeah, I keep my phone here. That's about it for now. See you later.